What a difference a day makes. It's going to be warm in here today. Got the windows open. Took the door off the screen because, yeah, they cut the latches on it, the morons. So, okay, so we're going to paint. Paint. Do more painting. Ooh, it's warm. And I finally used up my first gallon of paint. So we're going to move on to the second gallon. Okay, to surmise the kills, 1 gallon did 4 coats on this ceiling, the living room, and the living room and kitchen. And I think I put 5 or 6 coats on that thing. Just didn't want to take, but it was really pretty torn up too. And then this ceiling, 3 coats. This ceiling, 3 coats. Closet so far, just 1 coat. 2 coats on this wall. 2 coats on the inside of this cabinet and on the outside. I am going to paint that another color, so next coat of paint will be the other color on the cabinet. 2 coats on the wall. So that, that's pretty good. And I'm going to paint in here as well. Lots of painting to be done still. This is what I've been using to paint with. A 4-inch paintbrush, a little cutting brush. I think it's 1 inch, 1.5. And just a little paint pan. So I just found more gold trim. So I'm taping it off because I really want to keep some of the Silver Streak character. Yeah, this is fun because you got to tear the tape in tiny pieces to get around the curve. And, okay, that's the second coat of paint. And I think that is all I'm going to do is a second coat of this paint. The inside, not too worried about. I'm not going to, waste a whole bunch of paint on the inside because it's just a closet. And now it's sealed down. So that part's good. So I'm just not going to worry about it. And we're finished around the shower door. Shower has not been cleaned yet, and I don't plan to clean it until I get water, of course. So that'll probably happen when I move into it. Okay, so this wall is finished. The back wall still needs another coat. We're getting there though. And like I said before, that's the final coat on that because I'm using another color over that. And I'm done with the inside. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's a cabinet, so it's sealed in. That's all I care about on the interior part of the cabinets. Finally, I got it all taped off. That was a pain. Wow. And I've decided to keep that wall back there its natural color because it's going to be the only thing in this RV other than one more spot that will have that color to it. And I kind of wanted a remembrance of what the real color was like because this is so badly damaged. This is like this throughout the whole RV. So this is one of the reasons why I had to paint. And then you look at this wall, and yeah, that's where I tore off all the crushed velvet bedding stuff. So it was pretty funky. But then again, it was cool in its time. So there you go. I got that done. Okay, I am going to take this plastic sheet off the shower now. is I'm going to place it over here. And we are done with these walls. So I get to take off. Yay! We will be taking off this. Awesomes. It might be nice if I actually focused on what I'm doing. Let's go back in the corner and see what it looks like. Good job, good job, good job. Oops, a little bit messy there, but that's okay. Do you feel like you're helping me? Because you are. Your encouragement and words of wisdom and comments and all that helps keep me going. Oh, this is going to be such a palace when it's done. Yes, it's going to be a palace. The Twinkie Palace. Awesome. Look at that. Very cool. Oh. Gotta be careful. Need my painting shoes too. Oh my goodness. You know, it really sticks to this drop cloth plastic stuff when it gets adhered to it. Holy cow. Okay, now this side. And then I'll be able to open this door again too if I need to. If I can get this. See, hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Come on, tape. See, I even taped over the whole handle. Didn't want to get paint on it. Come on, tape. You would be grossed out if I open that door. I'm not opening it. I like this old-fashioned handle on the shower door. That is pretty cool. That's very retro looking. Okay, so yes. That's nasty, but that'll be cleaned up. How's that look, y'all? How's it look? Awesomes. Okay. Now we will paint the closet. So next time you see it, it'll have a coat of paint on it. This board right here, one of the support boards for the closet, looks like it may have caught fire at one time. See if I can see under it. I don't know. But anyhow, yeah. Probably from the old propane water heater. So, and you can see some residue left there that didn't wash off. But that's okay. We'll paint over it. There is something wrong with this gallon of paint. It is not covering. I just spent a whole bunch of time painting. And it's like I hadn't done a thing. Look at this. Oh man. I just spent several hours wasting several hours. Okay, so I got a good glop of paint on my brush, right? Watch this. Nothing. Nothing. It's like, wow. What a waste of time. Oh, this is disturbing. I'm not happy. Thanks, bad paint, for wasting several hours of my time. This is what it should look like on the lid. This is a different brand. And it's also paint and primer. And it is also the satin finish. Yeah, and the paint is sticking to the lid like it's supposed to. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I'm going back to work. Now that I look at my brushes, they're not even that bad. I mean, they should have globs of paint on them at this point. So we're going to try the glidden paint. Thank God I had it on hand. And let's see how it works, because I don't have time to go running around exchanging paints. This is ridiculous. And I am losing daylight. Okay, see, that's how paint should do. Oh my goodness, yeah, that's what it should do. Wow, what a waste of time. I really need to call it a day, but I'm still on the roll, so I wanted to show you how I'm painting this little part right here, just with the tip of the brush going down. And this is a plastic strip. There you go. So, seems to be working that way. Oops. Seems to be working that way. Awesome. Hey, it's time to call it a day. I can't believe that paint was bad. So, yeah. Okay, if it doesn't rain tomorrow, because it might rain tomorrow, I'll come back in and do another coat inside, because that was a waste of time. Because the other stuff wasn't even paint. It was like lacquer or something. It just, something was wrong with it. So, got the inside of the closet painted. And again, I kind of wish I hadn't have painted this outside wall, because it would have looked like a piece of furniture. And it was the best piece of wood in here. There's a spot right there that I forgot to sand down, that I missed. So I'll sand that later and then paint it. So, okay. Sorry, knocking my stool over. That's what I have to use when I paint. So there you go. That's the first coat. Sure looks a lot brighter though, huh? And there's a dark corner. So I have to paint this wall and the back wall, but still have some cleanup to do on that before I get there. Shower enclosure looks really good. This wall looks good. We're getting there. Maybe tomorrow get that second coat on, and then it'll look better. And then I'll start using the real paint. Of course, this is going to be left white. The cabinet will be a different color. Okay, thanks for watching. Catch y'all later. Live the life you love. Bye-bye.